If you're considering ConvertKit for your landing page needs, there are a few key things you should know before committing. In this video, we're breaking down 12 points that will help you decide if it's the right choice, especially when comparing it to other landing page software options. First thing you need to know, ConvertKit is mainly known for email marketing, but it also offers landing page tools. While its landing page builder is simple to use, it's not as robust as some competitors like Lead Pages or Unbounce, which are more focused on conversion optimization. Next thing, if you're a beginner, ConvertKit might be a good fit. Its interface is user-friendly and doesn't require a lot of technical knowledge. However, if you're someone who wants more customization options or advanced features, you might find ConvertKit a bit limiting compared to platforms like ClickFunnels, which offer deeper customization and funnel building capabilities. The third thing to consider is its pricing. ConvertKit's landing page builder is included in its email marketing plans, which start at $9 per month. While this is affordable for small businesses just getting started, it can quickly get pricey if you're scaling. This is where competitors like MailerLite come in, offering similar features at a lower price point for small-scale businesses. The fourth thing, ConvertKit's landing pages are fairly simple, which is great for users who need quick, easy-to-build pages. But if you need more advanced designs, you'll likely need to upgrade your plan or use third-party integrations to unlock additional customization, something you wouldn't need to worry about with tools like Unbounce. Next up, ConvertKit offers a great set of pre-built templates. These are perfect if you want to get your landing page up quickly without having to start from scratch. However, these templates may not be as diverse as those offered by competitors like InStagepage, which has a massive library of templates designed for different niches. The sixth thing, ConvertKit's form builder is solid, but it's somewhat limited when it comes to advanced features like A/B testing or more sophisticated opt-in form designs. If you're looking for a platform that offers detailed analytics and testing features out of the box, you might be better off with tools like Lead Pages. The seventh thing is integrations. ConvertKit works seamlessly with other popular tools like Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier. However, if you rely heavily on integrations with a wide variety of apps, you might find ConvertKit lacking compared to other platforms like ActiveCampaign, which supports a broader range of third-party apps. The eighth thing to know, ConvertKit is a good choice for content creators. It's designed with bloggers, YouTubers, and small business owners in mind, and offers simple automation that allows you to nurture leads through email sequences. However, if you need a more complex, multi-step sales funnel, other tools like Kartra might serve you better. Next, ConvertKit offers an easy-to-use visual editor, but its customization options aren't as advanced as some competitors. If you need to create highly customized landing pages, a more feature-rich platform like Thrive Architect might be a better fit. The 10th thing, ConvertKit offers a 14-day free trial, which is great for testing out the platform before committing. However, unlike platforms like Lead Pages, which offer a money-back guarantee, ConvertKit's trial period can feel a bit short for those who need more time to explore all of its features. The 11th thing, while ConvertKit does have a decent set of analytics, it's not as in-depth as other platforms like Unbounce or InStagepage, which provide detailed reports on landing page performance, including heat maps, conversion tracking, and visitor behavior analytics. If these insights are crucial to you, those platforms might offer more value. Finally, while ConvertKit's landing pages are solid for beginners and intermediate users, it's not the most versatile solution for advanced users who need advanced features like dynamic content or more granular A/B testing capabilities. For more complex needs, platforms like ClickFunnels or InStagepage provide a wider range of features for growth. In conclusion, ConvertKit is a solid choice for basic landing page creation, especially for bloggers and small business owners who also want to manage their email marketing. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or a more flexible solution, there are better options out there. For a better alternative, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.